What is
Hi,
fibers?
hello friends. I
Sairi,
am Nadesh Kannan.
Seiso,
Today I am going
Seigetsu,
to tell about what is
Sitsuge.
fibers
This is
and
Japanese
how to
words.
implement in your workplace
It means in English
step by step. Let's move
short,
into the video.
right, shine, standardize, sustain. Fibers is a Japanese housekeeping method. This has been introduced after World War II in Japan. This technique also one of the reason for Japanese fast industrial growth. Fibers is the key process for further method of TPM, TQM and so on. Why it is named fibers? Fibers named after these 5 steps are started with first letter of S in Japanese words like Seiri, Seidan, Seiso, Seigetsu, Shitsuge. In English, short, set right, shine, standardize and sustain. How to implement fibers? If you have many departments in your industry, then you have divided into teams and zones. One department is considered as one team. Within that team, you can divide a number of zones depends upon the area you have. Thus, you divided number of teams and zones in your industry. Then appoint team leaders and zone leaders who are responsible for that area. Then select zone members who are already working in that area without missing anyone. Layout preparation. In factory layout, you should mention the number of teams in that factory. In team layout, you should mention the number of zones in that team. In zone layout, you should mention the area in that zone. First yes, Seiri. First yes, Seiri means Japanese word means short or segregate in English. What is to be segregated? In your workplace, necessary things and unnecessary things are available. So you have to first segregate necessary things and unnecessary things. This picture shows all things are meshed. After segregation, you can get 4 types of item in that workplace. First, appropriate necessary items for that workplace. Second, useful items but inappropriate that workplace or useful after minor repair. 3. Waste but that has value items. 4. Waste but that has not value items. Identification of items. Excess item, that means it is necessary for that particular area but not now. Not in use item means it is usable but not necessary to that particular area. Damaged item means it gets some value after sales as a scrap. Used item means it gets no value but it disposed it anywhere. Let's see the picture. What is excess item? That is storage item. Storage items, that items required for that particular department but occasionally it required, so it kept in storage area. Red tag item means it is not necessary to that particular area, but that item is in good condition or after some minor fault it can be used. Damaged item. Damaged item you can throw it outside. That has no value. After some time it get rusted or it buried into the land. So you have to put separate area for that. That is called value yard. You have to put it there and sales as a scrap. A disposed item. This item has no value, but it has to be disposed anywhere. Hi friends, up to now this video will be useful to you to understand about what is 5S briefly only and oneness also. I will make further videos about 2S, 3S, 4S and 5S separately. It will give you detail about remaining S's. So please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to see further videos. Thank you.